Very good listeners. How about baloney? Good listeners. How about blue? Perfect. And yellow? How about red? That is close enough. Yellow! Trinity, I'm over here. That's my guitar. Try again. And yellow. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen, we did it. We've been practicing that for weeks. Let's hear it for our volunteers. Let's hear it for me. Ladies and gentlemen, would you like to see a trick that I call clown nose? Here we go on 3. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da.